one of the things that makes our partnership absolutely unique is a commitment to build capacity in Peru so that Peru can lead projects in the future.
Todo lo que hacemos es para transferir el conocimiento para que nuestras contrapartes aprendan de una forma diferente de hacerla, de unos estándares internacionales, de una manera de trabajar más colaborativa.
Knowledge transfer has been part of the UKDT's legacy from the start.
UKDT introduced knowledge transfer from day one. Since 2020, it has been a pillar of our service with our Peruvian public sector clients.
We're undertaking knowledge transfer to increase the capability of all the construction personnel within Peru to deliver projects on time, on cost and on budget.
Para que los funcionarios del gobierno del Perú, los trabajadores públicos, fuesen capaces de hacerlo una vez que este acuerdo gobierno a gobierno se terminase.
The UKDT follows the 70-20-10 model of knowledge transfer. That's 70% on-the-job learning, 20% informal learning, and 10% formal learning, such as courses. Our knowledge transfer covers the whole project life cycle. So that's from procurement through to design, through to the construction and management of the contractor, all the way through to the operations and maintenance of the final stages of the program.
One of the primary markers of a successful program when it comes to delivering infrastructure is how well the cost is controlled and managed. We train our Peruvian counterparts on how to use the NEC suite of contracts in order to manage costs within projects. We also provide workshops on specific cost-related topics, which allows our counterparts to gain the knowledge and the understanding in order to be able to effectively manage their contracts on a day-to-day basis.
El proyecto de reconstrucción en Perú con UKDT y ANIN está liderando el desarrollo de grandes proyectos a nivel nacional utilizando la metodología BIM. Es una metodología de trabajo colaborativo, donde tú tienes toda la información relacionada de un proyecto en una única fuente. Hacemos unas capacitaciones a funcionarios gubernamentales, a diseñadores, a especialistas, a constructores. Para la realidad peruana, el uso del BIM es un aporte muy importante facilitando la transparencia, la integridad, la colaboración.
One of our key tools for the legacy of knowledge transfer is the Learning Portal, which contains all of our training materials. We have over 4,000 users across the Peruvian public sector. We've delivered over 60,000 certificates. Our knowledge is also transferred to the wider construction industry in Peru.
Now that Peru has the National Infrastructure Authority, we have an Infrastructure Centre of Excellence, which will deliver safe and sustainable infrastructure for millions of Peruvians. Peru has the knowledge and the capabilities to look to the future with confidence.
It's about creating a future capability in Peru which will be as sustainable as the incredible infrastructure that we're pushing in health, in education, in flood defense systems. And that is really driving economic growth in the short term and the long term.